Hey man, the time is here, bro. I told you we had to do it. We got to do this quick little discussion, quick little debate on which OG Airs Uniform you guys rocking out with the most. But hey, sit back, relax. We got a lot to talk about in today's video. Of course, we got to show you these dope OG Airs Uniform colorways, man. Let's get right into it. YouTube, man, what is going on, everybody, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping in to today's video, bro. We gotta give you guys something different. And of course, we just got another nostalgic OG colorway release with the Airs 04 Military Blues. And we kind of got the Bred OGs, but you know, they added the leather on there. The reimagined spinoff. But neither here nor there, I do have all four OG colorways with me in the collection. It's finally complete, bro. It is complete, bro. Before we get any further, right now I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and make sure you guys leave a huge like on today's video, bro. Everybody stop what you're doing, man. Take a quick couple seconds, bro. Do your boy a solid. Look down below and hit that like button on today's video. Even if you ain't subscribed to the channel, bro, you'll help your boy out, man. That like button goes a long way. And of course, all my social media links will be down below in the description box, IG, Twitter, all that good stuff, man. And I've been telling you guys for the longest on where to get your clothing at. A lot of people always ask me, man, how do you style this? Where do you get these shirts at? How you always get the dope tees to go with your kicks? And that is OutRank Brand, man. OutRank Brand has you guys covered every single drop. And if you guys come to my videos around drop days, like especially these last couple drops with the Bred for Reimagines and the Airs 04 Military Blues, everybody's been thanking me for me directing them to OutRank Brand and get a nice tee that goes perfect with those colorways. And they got it almost every single drop. They got a crazy collection for the upcoming Airs 01 Women Lattes, for the J Balvins, for the Shadow 1 Lows, for pretty much every single release you can think of, man. OutRank Brand has you guys covered. Different fresh styles each week. So make sure you tap in with them. I'm gonna link it down below. Make sure you guys use my discount code DeVintage to save 10% off. Help you guys out, save some money, and get fresh on the way. All right, man, so the time is here. I told y'all earlier this year, bro, we getting the Bred Reimagined again, and we're getting the Military Blues again. For the first time since 2012, I believe the year was. And I said, man, I never had either one of those things in the collection up until 2019 being the Breds, and 2024 being the Military Blues. And I say, yo, it's always been a debate from, you know, certain OG colorways from 1 all the way up to 14, 15, whatever do you want to go up to. It's always not a debate per se, but it's a conversation that you can have in the sneaker community, you know, asking people which one do you like the most, which one you rock out with the most, if it has to do with like history of it, if it has to do something with nostalgic purposes, or if something near dear to your heart, man, which one are you rocking out with the most? And see, like I said, bro, we have the Military Blues, the Breds, the White Cements, and we have, what did I miss? The Fire Red. So let's go ahead and get into it, bro. I'm gonna show you guys each one of the colorways, kind of, you know, chopping up about them and dissecting each one, and then get to the end of the video, and hopefully you guys comment down below which one you're rocking out with the most. All right, man, so here goes the first one. We do have the Air Jordan 4 Bred thing. You guys see it, man. This is the new buck, you know what I'm saying? The dust mag. You guys see the dust all over, man. Cool story about these. I probably just told the story 100 times, but I feel like a lot of people that don't know me, that's new to the channel, I think it's always an interesting story to tell. They are super dusty because when I visited Paris back in 2019, this is a shoe I wore. Why did you wear a nubuck suede sneaker to Paris? I don't know. Terrible idea, man. If you don't know, man, near the Eiffel Tower, it is super dusty, has sand almost everywhere, and it's relatively dirty out there. No disrespect, but I wore these joints right there, man. And this is one of those shoes I say, yo, I'm gonna always keep. I'm gonna always remember that memory, you know what I'm saying, of me having the Breds on feet, man. But you guys can see, bro, Nike Air on back, nubuck all around. But you guys, of course, can see the dust. Kind of look a little gray on the video, I'm pretty sure. But other than that, bro, this is the OG, bro. This is the OG Airs 04 Bred things right here. Jordan rocking these things. Jordan dropped some buckets in these joints. And this is probably a lot of people's most favorite Jordan 4 out of the 4 OG colorways. But again, that's up for interpretation. That's up for debate. That's up for conversation for you guys. But here goes the first one, man. Airs 04 Bred things. You guys can go ahead and let me know how you feel about these. Let's go ahead and get to the next OG colorway, man. All right, man, so here we have the next one. This is a pair that I caught back in 2016, and as you guys can see by the quality, by the yellow, and this is a pretty older sneaker. I got these in 2016, so about what, 8 years ago. It felt like even longer than that for some reason, but you can see the yellow one in the netting, the yellow on the side. And this is what Jordan Brand was trying to do with the Reimagined series. They want to make everything look aged, make it look already pre-worn and stuff like that, which I don't understand why they wouldn't do that. but it's a reimagined look to it. And these right here, if we do get another reimagined Jordan 4, definitely gonna be these joints right here. And this is probably what's gonna look like, man. The yellowing on the Cajun, the yellowing on the midsole a little bit, and of course the worn out bottoms, man. But this one right here, bro, super clean. This is my first OG Air Jordan 4 in my collection. I remember copping these joints like it was yesterday, sitting in line for like 6 hours. I never knew nothing too much about the significance of the white cement Air Jordan 4s, but as you guys can see right here, man, I've grown to love these things. Seen a couple clips, seen a couple, you know, little history facts about them, and I said, yo, I love these things a lot more. But hopefully, when we do get that remastered or reimagined, you know, series, whatever it is, we get some better quality. Cause look at the leather quality on these guys. Pretty bad in my opinion, but still OG colorway. Got some dope wears out of these right here. Let me know where you rack and stack these things in the comment section. And then another one that a lot of people were salty about the quality wise, because everybody want good leather quality, tumbled leather quality. They want that nice, you know what I'm saying, bounce back. They want a nice bounce back on the leather quality. And here we have it, the Fire Red Air Jordan 4s. Man, you got the Nike Air on the back. Of course, you do have your red Jumpman flat underneath. But another one of the ones that, you know, you grew up always seeing people rocking. You've seen a couple spin-offs of these, a couple renditions to the Fire Reds with different, you know, collaborations and stuff like that. And these right here hold his own weight, you know what I'm saying? But again, the quality not that great, super stiff. But in terms of having OG colorway, in terms of having a dope Air Jordan 4, regardless of the quality, this is definitely high up on a lot of people's lists. And I'm very interested in seeing where people rack these joints at, where y'all, you know what I'm saying, rank them amongst the other Air Jordan 4s, because I'm super interested in knowing how people feeling. We got these back in 2021 or 2020, I forget. I remember like it was yesterday, kind of, because the shop drop and everything like that was going crazy. People was asking me a bunch of questions, but we do have them in the collection, man. Got a double up of these, had to, because that quality ain't that great. And I'm already gonna run through these things right here, man. But you guys let me know down below in the comment section how you feeling about the Air Jordan 4 Fire Reds. And then last but not least, of course, the newest one that just dropped, man. The Air Jordan 4 Military Blues. We don't call them industrials, bro. This is the military blue. It's what you grew up calling it, bro. That's like calling Twitter X. Nobody calling Twitter X, bro. It's Twitter. This is the military blues, you know what I'm saying? You guys can see it. This was more true to the pair that dropped back in '89, and that's what kind of made me like these things a little bit more, regardless of the bad quality. I don't know what's been going on with Jordan Brand and some of these OG colorways that they have been coming out with, but it seemed like they put better quality on the women's exclusive and like a regular GR rather than the OG. Maybe they want to make it more to that OG cut how it was back in the day, but bro, come on Nike, come on Jordan Brand, give us a little bit of that tumble leather so we ain't got to worry about the harsh creases and stuff like that. But still, another one of them ones that I love, and this definitely was I got so many pairs of military blues that I don't even want to tell y'all. But I have a major announcement coming soon. You guys will be very interested in knowing. So make sure you stay around, stick around, hit that subscribe button, notification bell. I got a major announcement. It's gonna go crazy, bro. But again, military blue, guys. I know people are tired of seeing them, so I'll put them last, but I had to give the credit where it's due. And it's gonna be a lot of people that put these #1 in terms of their rankings of the OG colorway, so I cannot wait to see it. It's pretty high on mine, so let's go ahead and get into it. Let's see who's #1, 2, and 3, and 4. Let's get right to it. All right, so I'm gonna start from 4 all the way up to my favorite OG Air Jordan 4 colorway. And a lot of people gonna be mad, man. Trigger warning, man. #4 for me has to be the Air Jordan 4 Fire Reds. Again, I know people gonna be salty at me, but that's just my opinion, you know what I'm saying? Rocking them and stacking them between these other Air Jordan 4s. But the Fire Reds, man, I'm sorry, made it #4 on my list. Let's go ahead and get to the third. And for #3, bruh, y'all gonna be mad at me. I can't wait to read the comments, bruh. But #3, we're going with the Air Jordan 4 white cement. Y'all like, yo, how is it #3? How is it not 1? This is my personal opinion, my personal take on the 4 OG colorways. Just my personal pick. I ain't saying this is the history, like this is a fact or anything like that. It's just my personal opinion. But #3, I'm going white cement Air Jordan 4s. And then for #2, bruh, and I know it's probably due to the fact that it just came out, it's going with the Air Jordan 4 Military Blues. Told y'all I always wanted these growing up. Definitely remember seeing these things on people's feet in the high school, middle school, and stuff like that. And when it came around in 2024, this was a no-brainer, must cop, triple, double, quadruple. I know a lot of people got a bunch of pairs, but me, I did enough damage, so I'm done. But this one right here is number 2 on my list. Let's go ahead and get to number 1. You guys should know what it is, and that is the Air Jordan 4 Breds, man. You know you can't go wrong with the Bred Air Jordan 4s, bro. Super simplistic, but also very classic and timeless. You know what I'm saying? You can rock this with anything, dress it up, dress it down. But with it being all black, with it having a nice hit of that red on the tongue, on the outsole and stuff like that, bro, it was a no-brainer for these being my favorite Air Jordan 4 of all time, bro. It ain't no Air Jordan 4 that I love more than these. I thought it was the white cements, bro. No, I'm like, hold on, bro. The Air Jordan 4 Breds definitely take the cake. And, you know, the Bred reimagined, when they came back out, you guys know I was excited for it. But, yeah, man, number 1 for me has to be the Bred Air Jordan 4s. Yeah, guys, you let me know down below in the comment section, man, where you rank your Air Jordan 4s, you know what I'm saying, fire reds, military blues, white cements, and Breds. Cannot wait to read you guys' comments. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already. Send this video with a friend, I know they're going to be mad at my list, my ranking of the OG colorways, but hey, man, it's all just conversation and give you guys some nice content to kind of interact with you guys. I appreciate all the support again. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Leave a huge like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop. All that's being said, man, your boy DeVintage. Gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.